Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to fix this issue, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps and then click on OK. Now here click on this search icon and search SIM toolkit, and from here open the SIM toolkit app. Now scroll down and go to its storage and then clear the app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit app. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache and then click on clear data to clear data of SIM toolkit app. Now here click on delete to confirm, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the second solution is swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on the flight mode and wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back off. So after doing this your problem will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings and then again click on reset settings option here to reset your mobile network settings. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.